In this video, we'll solve each triangle. Solving triangle means when we know all the three sides and three angles, the triangle is solved. So in this triangle ABC, angle A is opposite to angle A is called side A, opposite to angle B is side B, and opposite to angle C is called side C. So in this triangle, angle B is known and one of the side is 56. Now we have to find angle A and side A and side B. Okay, when two angles are known, one angle is not known, so then we can find angle A as angle A is equal to, we know sum of the three angle is 180. So two angles we know 90 and 33. So angle A will be 180 minus, add the two angles 33 plus 90. So 180 minus, this comes to 123 equals to 57 degrees. So angle A is 57. Now we have to find side B and side A. So to find side B, this is angle B 33. So this is called opposite side. And this is hypotenuse. And this side for B is called adjacent. So we have to find opposite and we know hypotenuse. So what ratio you will use opposite and hypotenuse? The opposite hypotenuse is sine. Sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So we write sine, angle is 33. So angle sine 33 equals opposite is B and hypotenuse is 56. Now we cross multiply. So B times 1, B equals sine 33 times 56. So write sine 33 times 56. So the value of sine 33 will be, can use calculator and find sine 33 equals 33 sine is 0.544 times 56. It comes to 30.49, or you can write 30.5. So side B is 30.5 centimeter. Now we have to find side A. So for A is, for this angle 33 is called adjacent and we know the hypotenuse. So adjacent hypotenuse, what ratio we can use? Adjacent hypotenuse is cosine. So cosine theta we can use. So cos 33 equals, adjacent is A and hypotenuse is 56. So we cross multiply. So A equals cos 33 times 56. So cos 33 value with the calculator you can find 0.838 times 56. It comes to 46.9 and round it to 47. So side A is 47 centimeter. So now we know all the three sides A, B, and C, and three angles also we know. Angle A and angle B is given, angle C we know, and this triangle is solved. The same way we'll do next question. Angle DEF, one angle is known, and this is 90 degree. Angle D we know 90 degree, angle E is 41. So we can find angle F. So angle F equals 180 minus, because sum of the three angles should be 180. So two angles are known. So third angle we can find by subtracting 180 minus 41 plus 90. So we get 180 minus 131. So we get 49. So angle F is 49 degree. Next we have to find side E. So for 41, this is called opposite side and this is adjacent side. So adjacent is given, opposite is we have to find. So adjacent and opposite, what ratio we'll use? Adjacent and adjacent and opposite is tan. So we use tan. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So angle is 41, so we can write tan 41 equals opposite is E and adjacent is 60. Right? To cross multiply E times 1 is E equals tan 41 times 60. Now we find the value of tan 41. So it comes to 0.869 times 60. So it comes to 52.15. And the unit is meters. So side E is 52 point, or rounded to 52 meters. Now we have to find side D. So D side is, this is hypotenuse and we know the adjacent. So hypotenuse and adjacent ratio is cosine. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we write cos 41 equals adjacent is 60 and hypotenuse is D. We write over 1. So cross multiply D times cos 41 equals 60 times 1 is 60. To solve for D, so divide cos 41 left side and right side. Cancel. So D equals 60 divided by, find the value of cos 41. So cos 41 equals to 0.754. Now we divide 60 divided by 0.754, it comes to 79.5, rounded to 80. So angle D is 80 meters. So now we know all the three sides and triangle. This triangle is solved. Next question we'll do. Triangle is UST. So here we don't know the angle U, we don't know, angle T we don't know, and one of the side is we have to find. So we'll find angle T first, okay? So suppose this angle is theta. For theta, this side is called opposite, that is 10, and hypotenuse is 15. So what ratio we can use? Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we can write sine T equals, or theta you can write, or sine T equals opposite over hypotenuse. So sine T is, opposite is 10, hypotenuse is 15. So 10 divided by 15, you get 0.666. So sine T equals 0.666. We isolate angle T equals 0.66 sine inverse. You press second function and then you get sine inverse and then 0.666. So you will get 41.2. So the angle T is 41.2 degree. Now we know two angles, so we can find angle U. So angle U will be 180 minus 41.2 plus 90. This is 90 degrees. So it comes to 131.2. And we minus this. So angle U equals 48.8, rounded to 49. So angle U equals 49 degree. So now one of the side U side is left. So now we know angle T is 41. So U is adjacent and hypotenuse you can use, or you can use adjacent and opposite and adjacent. So we'll use adjacent and hypotenuse. So cosine theta equals adjacent upon hypotenuse. So this is 40, angle T is 41.2, this is 41.2. So cos 41.2 equals adjacent is U, we have to find, and hypotenuse is 15. We cross multiply, so U times 1, U equals cos 41.2 times 15. So find the value of cos 41.2 times 15, it comes to 11.28. So side U is 11.2 or 11 centimeter, you can write 11 meters. Okay, so now we know all the three sides and all the three angles. This triangle is solved. Okay, one more last question we'll do. Triangle is PQR. So we don't know the two angles. Angle P not known, angle R is not known. So we have choose any one angle. Suppose angle R we take. So this is suppose theta. So this side is called opposite. For angle R, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So opposite adjacent ratio is tan. So tan theta equals, or tan, suppose this is angle theta. So tan theta equals opposite upon adjacent. So tan theta equals opposite is 13 and adjacent is 8. So 13 divided by 8. $1.625. So angle theta equals 1.625 tan inverse. So press second function, tan inverse and 1.625. So you will get 58.39. So round it to 58. So angle R is 58 degrees. Okay. So once we know this angle R, then we know this angle Q is 90. So we can find angle P. So angle P will be equal to 180 minus 58 plus 90. So equals 180 minus 148. So equals to 32 degree. So angle P equals 32 degree. Now we have to find side Q. So suppose we take angle R. So for R, this is hypotenuse, and we know the opposite side is 13. So hypotenuse and opposite. Opposite and hypotenuse, what ratio you can use? Sine. So sine theta equals opposite upon hypotenuse. And theta is, sine R is, we got 58. So sine 58 equals opposite is 13 and hypotenuse you have to find. So we cross multiply. So Q times sine 58 equals 13 times 1 is 13. Now divide by sine 58 both sides. This cancel. So side Q equals, find the value of sine 58. It comes to 0.851. And it comes Q equals 15.2. So side Q is now 15.2. So now we know all the three sides and three angles known. So this triangle is solved. I hope now you understand how to solve this triangle. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more video like this. Thank you.